Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how the Edo people made their palm oil akara. Guys, this palm oil akara is so delicious. So if you are curious to know how I make this akara, stick around and let's make this together. So let's get started. So guys, here is the beans that I'm going to use. I'm going to be using these honey beans. Guys, I love these honey beans so much. It tastes so good. You can give it a try to confirm it. So I'm just going to soak the beans for 30 minutes because I don't want to soak my beans for a very long time. 30 minutes is okay for me. So guys, if you want to see how I wash my beans, a link will pop out on the screen, then you can go and check it. I have a video for that. So now I'm going to be bleaching this oil. You need to bleach your oil properly. You want your oil to bleach very well, you understand? So if you really want to get that nice taste, bleach your oil very well. So 30 minutes have passed. I'm just going to start washing the beans. So guys, our oil is well bleached. You want your oil to bleach just like this if you really want to get that crunchy akara. So you need to bleach your oil very well. So here is my beans. I'm just going to leave these beans inside the water. So my oil has cooled down because you want all the smoke to just go away before you start making use of the oil. And you want your oil to bleach just like this one you are seeing here. So now I'm just going to on the cooker and I'm going to add 2 medium size of onions. I'm just going to cook it inside this palm oil, and I'll be cooking it for about 15 to 20 minutes. This adds more taste to your akara. So in Benin, all those women that fry akara along the roadside, that is how they do it. They normally bleach their oil during the night time, and they'll cook these onions and leave the onions throughout the night. In the morning when they want to fry their akara, they just take off the onions and start using the palm oil to fry their akara. So now I will start to chop all the pepper and the onions that I'm going to use for this recipe. So this akara, if you go to Benin, if you have lived in Benin before, these women, they fry this akara. You see a lot of people will be there waiting for the akara to get ready. Me too, I used to eat this akara so much when I was in Benin. So I love it so much and I decided to share it with you guys today. You can give it a try and see how it tastes like, okay? So guys, if this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. My name is Sade. So guys, if you want to see more of my delicious recipe, you know what you have to do. Pause this video and hit that subscribe button and set the notification bell to all. In that way, you'll be a part of this family and you'll be getting notification of any video that I upload. Thank you. So now I'm going to start to blend the beans. Please don't add too much water if you want to blend your beans. So you want your beans to be like this. As you can see, mine is not watering, so you just want to do it like this. If not, you will not get this nice akara. I'm just going to repeat the process again to blend my beans because my blender is not big. I'll be adding salt. I'm just going to mix mine properly. You need to mix your beans very well if you don't want your akara to soak oil. I'll be adding some pepper. I'll add onions. Then I'll mix everything together properly. You want to mix everything together properly because you want the pepper and the onions to mix properly inside the beans. So now I'm going to take the onions out from the oil. I'll be pouring the oil inside my frying pan that I'm going to use. So it's time for us to start to fry our akara. You don't want your heat to be too much, You just want to fry your akara with a medium heat. As you can see, the oil is not bringing smoke. That is because you bleach your oil very well. So I'm just going to flip the akara to the other side. Can you see this, guys? The akara is so crunchy. The akara is done. I'm just going to take it out of the oil. So I'm just going to repeat the process again. So guys, if you have watched to this minute, thank you so much. I really appreciate. And guys, if you like this video, please help your sister by hitting that subscribe button and set the notification bell to on so that you will never miss any of my delicious recipe. And for my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Thank you so much, and God bless you. And now at this point, I'm going to leave you guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video with another delicious recipe. This is the end result. As you can see, the akara comes out so good. Guys, please give it a try and let me know how your own comes out. I'm going to see you next in the next coming video. Bye bye. Ciao.